Hi, Poslack. It's Good News Plan. I'm here with Sunil Gupadi. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you,
I'm
Paul?
good because we've already been talking and it made me happy to begin with. So I'm looking forward because we're going to talk about some very important involvement that Sunil has, a medical background in the sense of taking the good that medicine has and has discovered and sharing it with the world. And tell us a little bit about that because it's very interesting and very important.
Sure. I was managing Medline, which is a global repository of medical research around the world. And I used to collect that medical research data around every single illness or sickness that people are working for decades and decades and finding out the solutions. So once they find the solution on any kind of illness, they publish that result on that particular repository, which we used to call Medline. And I used to collect that data through satellite, around 3 million records per quarter. And it helped me to understand medical science throughout the world. And that is how I became much better in understanding the health in both ways, in terms of pharma as well as in terms of stem cell research. One of my friend is advisor to numerous governments in the world around the stem cell research, and he has 19 geniuses around him, and his chairman has been awarded by Prime Minister of Japan. So I understood both the world pharma and the nature way of curing all the sicknesses in the world. But in reality, we need both of them. We need pharma to address the emergency, and then we can use the stem cell to regenerate the body, including anti-aging and curing even the illnesses that are not possible by the pharma in the most natural way. And that gave me a lots of exposure because that repository was coming from more than 180 countries, and I facilitated global conference to control outbreak of Japanese encephalitis. This virus was way more deadly than corona. This virus used to come from paddy field where there are pigs, and it used to bite a child, and child used to die within 24 hours, no matter what treatment is given. And corona never killed child in the beginning. And corona was named in 1960. So it is an easier virus compared to what I controlled in India, in Hyderabad. So I facilitated global conference collecting with All India Institute of Medical Science, National Institute of Virology in Hyderabad, and neurologists were with me. And I flashed that Medline conference around the world, and so much help came throughout the world that we could control that outbreak within 18 days, saving thousands of children's lives in Hyderabad. And I am only one person in the world who knows how viruses could be controlled and can be controlled, and how great medical community throughout the world is. To be honest with you, medical community is too good and risking their lives every single day for saving the precious human life. And it doesn't matter whether it's a child, young or old, they enjoy saving the lives of the other people by risking their own lives. And these people are passionate human beings about their profession. And it takes a whole lot effort, energy and time to become expert in only one area of human body. For example, for neurologists to become really good neurologist in the world, It takes 35 years of dedicated education by himself with lots of money. And then it takes 10 years of practice to become a good neurologist. So 45 years of life is gone for that gentleman who is a neurologist. And people keep focus on how much he makes, but he has sacrificed his almost more than 50% of life to get to that point. And those come with tons of sacrifices. He cannot pay attention to his family. He cannot pay attention to even his health, but he has to stay focused for his studies and for his credential to keep going up and up. So it's a medical profession is intensely challenging, and it is mandate to have a undivided attention and focus for more than 4 decades from a child when he start dreaming to become someone expert in the medical science.
We call them heroes.
Yes.
And we ring the bells at 7 o'clock. We did this all for a year. I did about 120 hours of shows for the heroes, medicine people, the doctors, they risk their lives. I agree. It's a major thing. So what should we tell people? I mean, this is powerful information you're sharing now, and I thank you for doing that. What is there something that people can get involved, or that say a big pharma company can work with you on? I mean, if you feel, from your experience here, that you have a solutions for it's a big comment. We have to help all illnesses, or many illnesses, or however you feel on this. What can we do to then make it in reality? How can we get this into implementation?
That's a very good question. So the way you can get into implementation, we are starting COVID-19 company in London, and we are already talking to numerous hospitals to adopt both the approach, pharma for a short-term instant cure and stem cell for longevity of human life and saving human life and making human life more productive beyond world average of 98 years. So you can get involved in our COVID-19 company that is starting in London right now. And our stock is selling around £6 per stock, but we are looking for investors who can invest $5 million with us. And that is how you can start with us. And since we have connections to almost all the hospitals, and we get masses behind us by talking to the head of the country. For example, my friend, hospital in India is inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi, and even he was getting funded to address one type of cancer, which is called sickle thalassemia, to cure 150 million Indian, 100 free. Means for that particular cancer, he is not going to charge any dollar. So it's a $0 treatment for 150 million Indian. Similarly, he also had conversation with the education minister of China to take care 350 million Chinese in addressing number of illnesses. And since he has dedicated his entire life with his scientists, there are number of solutions for each and every illness depending on the medical report of a person. For example, he was the first person to get the FDA approval for COVID-19 to do the stem cell treatment on the COVID person in New York City. So that way, by joining our companies, you can get a real life solution. For example, take case of Paul. I can own a Paul's life, and I can make sure that Paul lives youthful, vibrant life beyond world average of 98 years. And even if he gets real illness like Steve Jobs had, which Steve Jobs reach out to me, but he was not lucky and I was not lucky to reach out to him. But that pancreatic cancer we would have cured. So we can cure
Wow.
the rarest illness in the world. And absolutely you can live a fearless life in the world. We can also take out all the toxins from your body. We can do anti-aging. We can do erectile
This is all,
dysfunction.
this is all part of your company. How do people,
Yes.
how do people reach you? What, do you have a website that you could tell us, or how?
Yeah, my friend's website is Geostar, and his
Okay.
name is Devan Patel. And
You know
people
what?
can reach out to me. My cell phone number 309-530-8203, or they can reach out over to LinkedIn, or my email smumzr@hotmail.com. So there are multiple ways reach out to me, and
Okay,
I'm very open and receptive in my heart, no matter who is that person, but I enjoy saving the life and extending the human life.
I
And
gotcha.
if I happen to do that, I do it without expecting even thank you.
I understand. Thank you. Shukriya. Namaste. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
And you'll send me, put some text, some information with this, and I appreciate all this powerful, important information. Thank you.
Thank you.